Welcome to Custodial Custodian's window cleaning series, Hints, Tips, and Tricks. And today I'm going to talk to you about Groupon. Now, what you need to know about starting a campaign with Groupon is that they require you show them proof of general liability insurance. And you also have to do two different deals. Now, on these deals, Groupon requires that you put the deal at around 50% off, and then they take about 50% or more of that deal. So you're only getting about 25% of the full value. Now, the way that I do it is that I have an exterior only window cleaning deal that's priced at $69, which full value is $120. And that only gives the company about $30. Then the other deal is for an in and out window cleaning, which is priced at $99. Full value is $220, and we get about $45 on that deal. Now, both deals are for up to 40 panes, which is about 20 windows. The other thing you want to make sure is that when you're posting these campaigns, that you use an actual photo of you doing your service. What I have is a photo of me cleaning some windows. Now, this will set you apart from the rest of the people doing these campaigns, and it'll quickly put you at the top of the Groupon list. And you also want to make sure that with Groupon, you price these deals right, so that way your company is still making a profit. And the way these things work is that you go out and do the work, and hopefully they call you back to do the windows again for full price. Also, they can also refer you to their family, friends, and neighbors. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up, and if you have any questions or any ideas for future videos, go ahead and put that in the comments below. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell to tune in for more.